With every new development comes the moment when the new design is to be put into operation for the first time. However, developers do not always have all the necessary tools at their disposal at this point. The firmware for the new design is still under development, test functions are missing, and of course, the software itself has not yet been fully verified. With the help of embedded JTAG solutions, developers can interact with the new hardware without the need for software development. All accesses for setting or measuring signals are based on hardware instruments and do not require firmware. The System Cascon software platform from Gribble Electronic therefore enables extensive test functions for the initial commissioning of prototypes. Among other things, developers can simulate switch-on routines and also verify analog voltages or frequencies thanks to the extensive instruments of the Scamflex 2 hardware. It is also possible to address and test communication interfaces such as Ethernet, CAN or LIN. RAM tests, programming memory modules or reading out sensors. The possibilities of the embedded JTAG solutions are many and varied. Embedded JTAG solutions, System Cascon software and Scanflex 2 hardware provide developers with powerful tools for initial commissioning and verification of prototypes.